What is the number one source of microplastic pollution? When we think about microplastic pollution in aquatic environments, we picture plastic bottles. They come from many places: tires, city runoff, and the breakdown of larger plastics. One of the biggest sources is actually what you wear. Synthetic textiles like polyester or nylon alone account for about 35%. This pollution happens during something we do every week: laundry. When we wash synthetic fabrics, tiny plastic fibers called microfibers are released into the water. They're invisible to us, but they flow through our wastewater systems into rivers, lakes, and soil, and eventually the food chain. Wastewater treatment plants were never designed to fully capture them. In Canada alone, 795 tons enter soils each year through biosolids. Growing evidence links chronic exposure to inflammation, metabolic disruption, organ damage, among other health risks. Engineering interventions are thus needed to reduce the microfiber content in the biosolids.
So, how are biosolids produced? At a wastewater treatment plant, sludge is produced during the treatment process. In settling tanks, solids sink to the bottom and are collected. The sludge is then sent to digesters, which are large treatment tanks where microorganisms break down organic material. After this step, the sludge is spun in a centrifuge to remove excess water, leaving behind a thick material called biosolids, which are often used for agricultural purposes. So, what are we proposing to do differently? Our team is proposing a process called hydrothermal carbonization, or also known as HTC. In simple terms, HTC uses heat and pressure in a reactor to convert biosolids into a coal-like material called hydrochar. In our design, the biosolids are heated to 220 degrees Celsius under pressure for 3 hours, allowing microfibers to break down. This process produces three outputs: hydrochar, process water, and gas. The process water is treated further in another biological treatment tank to remove harmful organic material. The gas produced is mainly carbon dioxide with small amounts of methane.
Now, if you are wondering what the benefits of our solution are, our design aligns with two of the United Nations Sustainable Development Goals, SDG 12 Responsible Consumption and Production, and SDG 7 Affordable and Clean Energy. SDG 12 is addressed through how we manage waste sludge. Instead of treating sludge as a waste stream that simply redistributes microfiber, our HTC process breaks down at least 60% of these microfibers directly within the sludge. This significantly reduces the risk of plastics entering soils, waterways, and the food chain while converting sludge into a usable product, hydrochar. SDG 7 is supported through on-site energy recovery. The processed water is treated through digestion, producing methane that can be reused within the system. In our design, this methane helps heat the sludge before it enters the HTC reactor, reducing the need for external energy. Any excess methane available can also be used for electricity generation. Overall, our team is addressing the microfiber pollution by targeting sewage sludge and delivering a practical, scalable hydrothermal treatment solution for modern wastewater treatment.